Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Just peach. Beautiful red, black racing stripes. Oh man, it's just gorgeous. What we got here is all original interior actually. Brought back to life with some conditioning, which is beautiful. Black, 4-speed. Everything is so nice. It is numbers matching a 396 block as well, which is awesome. I mean, how can you not love this car? Going here to the trunk. Trunk is in beautiful condition. Hop up in here to the driver's seat. Take a look here. Beautiful. All right, let's check under the hood, take it for a spin, put it on the hoist. All right, got the Chevelle here. We're gonna take it for a spin. Oh, that sounds so good.
It's
very smooth.
So nicely. This is my first time driving this.
Shifter.
And yeah, pleasantly surprised with the smoothness. Third and fourth. Yeah, it's nice.
Ah, it's so beautiful. All right, thank you, sir. I'll go ahead and put her on the hoist.